Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working this on this Mercedes GLA 2016 2.1 diesel. It's 2.1 diesel from 2005 all the way to 2024, I guess. Now, engine management lights on, limp mode, judders. We've got this code here, P012C00. I'm just going to guide you. There's nothing crazy about this. It's literally what you need to do, in other words. That fault code calls the engine management light, and it turns out to be this here. So what we recommend, since it's faulty, we've checked wiring, power goes to it, no issues, all good. Turns out to be this sensor here, so it's really easy to undo. Get original part number, please don't get aftermarket, and then just it's kind of plug and play if you ask me. But there is something what you can do is literally reset the adaptions. So using the iCar Soft, obviously we can do that. There's so many different things we can do. So for example, special functions, and on here, teaching process, and there is a section. So you've got it there, and besides that, you've got many different other functions that you can use on this diagnostic machine, guys. So if the car's been in an accident, which is, I've seen a lot of vehicles and I get a lot of comments, what tool shall I get? You've got to understand, this has everything in there. If the car goes into an accident, any sort of Mercedes, whether it's the diesel, petrol, hybrid, whatnot, hit that, resets it, boom, done, dusted. But anyway, that's not our topic, guys. But yeah, there is a lot of things you can do. Live data as well. But like we said, that fault code to do with this, get original OEM, done, dusted.